In this video, I'll show you how to duplicate a sign-up form in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you want to click on the fifth option, which is Forms. Now, on the Forms section, it will show you the list of all of your forms. Let's say we want to duplicate a sign-up form. So simply hover your mouse on a form. On the right-hand side, click on the drop-down. And once you do that, at the bottom, you will have an option to duplicate. Now, if you click on duplicate, a pop-up will show. From here, we want to set up our form. So in here, we will set our audience. And on the form name, we will just simply set this as a duplicate. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and the right corner and click on continue. And once you do that, as you can see, we have successfully created a duplicate of our sign-up form. You can also do this on a different form. So on the right-hand side, let's simply duplicate. From here, we will name this as a duplicate again, but you can also have an option to change the whole form name. At the bottom, click on continue. Once you do that, it will automatically generate the duplicate. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.